Hi, I'm Terence Ngai. We're here to talk about the Hewlett Packard Enterprise Service Provider Strategy today. With me is Steve Dietch. Welcome, Steve. He is our Vice President of our worldwide service provider business. Steve, I know that you're out there talking to a lot of customers and partners. What are you hearing from them about their digital transformation journey?
Well, what I'm hearing, Terence, is that a lot of them are looking to their IT strategy, particularly hybrid IT, to help with that digital transformation and their unique journeys. Customers are looking to increase flexibility, enhance agility, lower total cost of ownership. And the different ways of consuming IT are a means to help them address those challenges. Many customers are looking to take advantage of the hybrid IT elements and aligning their application portfolio or the workloads to the characteristics of the right platform, whether that be traditional IT, private cloud, or public cloud. What they're trying to do is create the right mix for their own unique business needs.
And what is the key benefits of that right mix?
Well, with hybrid IT, what you're trying to do is deploy your application or workload on the right platform. So most companies have a portfolio of applications or workloads, and each of those applications has a unique set of characteristics. It may require speed. It may require certain data residency requirements. It may require certain performance. It may require low cost. It may need to adhere to certain compliance or regulations. What customers want to do is align their portfolio of applications to the characteristics of the platform. And by doing that, they're creating the most optimal IT environment that meets their unique business needs and where not only can IT support the business, it can help shape it.
So with more and more customers shifting to hybrid IT, as you mentioned, what is the implication for the marketplace, for the companies and the partners who are in the IT space?
We clearly see continued demand for IT solutions in the traditional data center. But we're also seeing a significant acceleration in customers' migration or the sourcing, the managing, or the procurement of services from off-premises locations through service providers. So both dimensions are growing, but clearly hybrid and the off-premise elements of that are accelerating.
And who are the players in the off-premises part of the hybrid IT?
Well, that's where service providers play a role. So whether you be a cloud service provider, a host, or outsourcer, service providers play the role of delivering IT as a service.
So if service provider is important for hybrid IT, what is HPE's approach to service provider? Can you talk more about the HPE service provider strategy? And also, how is your approach different from your competitors?
At its highest level, the Hewlett Packard enterprise strategy revolves around delivering hybrid IT based on a software-defined infrastructure. And as you recall, hybrid IT solutions involve on-premise and off-premise. We've made a very clear set of decisions backed by action where we're going to rely 100% on our service provider partners to deliver that off-premises element. Now, as it relates to the strategy, which basically means how are we going to help service providers do that and be successful? Because our success in hybrid IT is dependent on our partners. It revolves around three pillars. One, delivering revenue-generating solutions to our partners to drive top-line growth. And that could be a combination of products, solutions, and services. Second, addressing the challenges that face most service providers around aligning cost to revenue and the capital constraints. So leveraging the power of HPE Financial Services or our flexible capacity capabilities. And finally, the third pillar, collaborative go-to-market, helping our service providers with their sales and marketing reach, and bottom line, helping them sell their services. Then, to reinforce it all, we're very, very clear that we are not going to compete against our service provider partners. 100% relying on our service provider partners to deliver those off-premises services.
So if I'm a service provider really interested in getting into this space or continue to grow my business, how should I get engaged and involved with Hewlett Packard Enterprise?
I think there's multiple avenues. One is reach out to your existing account rep. And if they don't have the answer, they'll know where to go. We do have service provider teams in each region now, focusing on our programs, business development, and supporting our end user account reps. And if you can't find the right person, you can go to the SP-specific portal on HPE.com and find all the information about our strategy, our offerings, our portfolio, and key contacts.
That's really insightful. Thank you very much, Steve, for
You're
spending
welcome.
the time with
It's
us.
a pleasure.
So as Steve says, hybrid IT is a reality, and service provider is a key part of delivering that hybrid IT strategy for Hewlett Packard Enterprise. If you'd like to learn more about our strategy as well as our portfolio, please visit our website. Thank you.